Hello crafters, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be decorating my cupboard, my cabinet, or hutch as they're called overseas, for autumn. So I'm just going to decorate it. I've got all my things laid out on my dining table to my right hand side. So we're going to decorate it like I did in the spring Easter one. So I'll link that so it pops out now. So I've got this 3 shelved glass cabinet, display cabinet, hutch, whatever you call it, from whichever part of the world you're from, and we're going to decorate it. I've taken photos of it because I can't actually remember what it looks like, and I've only just emptied it because I like to do a dry run, so to speak, before you know, to get things how I like them. I've got these copper and galvanized steel charger plates. I'm going to put one of those up there, and then I have this large cloche. Now this cloche is actually from a Christmas decoration. It has a Christmas scene in it and it has a stand, but I keep it out all year, and I have it on this breadboard, this chopping board, and I brought some red velvet pumpkins this year because obviously the theme for my autumn decor this year is predominantly reds, so apples, poppies, that type of thing. So that's going to go up there as well. Then we are going to have a rose gold copper printed rosemary frame in the top there, and we are going to have my concrete apple. I'm going to just put that on a little glass candlestick just to raise it up slightly, and my glass pear. I mean, not my glass, my ceramic concrete pear. And then we'll just put in a touch of foliage just to bring the autumnal leaves. So that's that shelf done. The next shelf we are going to have this lantern that I bought in Pound World when it was on sale. Very country, very farmhouse. And then I brought this faux succulent, which the colours are very autumnal. So we're going to put that there. And then on this side we're going to have our lovely squirrel. I'm just going to raise him on a piece of wood, a wood slice. And we are going to have some faux red poppies just popping out from behind him. And obviously these are all wired, so I can manipulate them so they face the direction I want them to go in. We're going to use one of the little faux birch risers that I made. I'll link that video so it pops out now, with these lovely little birds. Now these birds have got a lovely little sparkle on them, and they're on different things. This one's on a pine cone, that one's on a conker or horse chestnut, and then I have a third one which I will show you later. And then we are simply going to put in another faux velvet pumpkin. Just put that on the side there, and some more red leaf foliage. Okay, and then we come to the bottom. Now, those of you who watched my spring one remember the collection of boxes or wooden pieces from my father. So that stays at the bottom, so that's going to go back in. And then I have these mercury glass pine cones which I got from QVC a number of years ago, so they're going to go in there as well. I lay one down on the side. We are going to have some foliage sticking up and about it, and I think I'm going to put in some faux, what do you call those now, poppies. And then I've got this little bird nest. I'm going to put that just on the side there. So that side is now done. Let's move the glass doors over. And let's concentrate on the top here. Now on the top I have another slice of the birch tree, another one of those lanterns, that will go there. And then next to that I have two wooden silhouettes of a rooster and of a chicken. So we're going to have that there and there. And we are also going to place some leaf foliage and some eggs. These are just some faux eggs that I have for decorative purposes. The next shelf we go down to, we will have another one of the galvanized chargers on the right hand side this time. We have two books. Now this is a Oscar Wilde and William Shakespeare books. We have the decorative kind of country farmhouse tassel, a red faux pumpkin, and then we have the two risers or candle holders, faux birch, which I've made in that video I linked earlier. We have another frame. This one's got lavender in it, so it keys back to this shelf here. We have a lovely little bird. These are a new line from Poundland, so I'm going to put that on there, I think. And then we have a candle, so I think I shall have a bird there and have the candle just there. Leave those. You don't have to use them as risers, even though that's how they've been designed. Or for candles, you could just use them as to give them the presence of a tree stump. Right, and then it comes to the bottom here, and we have our brown LED lantern that goes there. We then have this tray, which I've done in a video with another chicken silhouette with some shredded grass, a faux egg and some foliage. So that goes there. And then I'm going to put our little piggy, which I also done on video, which I will link in an iCard at the end. So I'm just going to go round now with my leftover leaves and foliage. And this little birdie, I think I might actually put him up there. So let's put a few leaves behind here. Just a few touches, just to bring the autumnal leaf colour elsewhere. And then I have a leaf garland, which I have got the 3M adhesive hooks up on in the corners of my unit. And I'm just going to pop that up there, like so. And there we have it. That is the glass display cabinet all done. I'll take the camera down and I will pan through each side of it so you can get a good